Hello, welcome to OnPrintShop. This video is about Kit Product Enhancement. Kit product is a set of predefined products. Now one can create separate kit product and assign predefined products into it. One can lock quantity of separate predefined product as well as kit product. Previously kit product was visible in separate link, right now it will be visible under product listing. Let's see how we can create kit product in admin. Click on predefined product. Click on add button. Here is the kit product setting enhancement. If you will select no, it will be a normal predefined product. If you will select buy with kit only, then it can be available only under kit products and will not be visible on product listing page. If you select yes, then it will be kit product where you can assign previously created product into it. Click on save and continue. Here you can assign multiple products under this kit. We have selected 2 products. Here we have given option to lock kit quantity, separating by comma. You can keep multiple quantities in it. Click on save button. Click on kit product rule. Here you can set default quantities and additional cost of products. And this kit product will be visible at front end like this. And here you can see the locked kit quantities. Here you can see kit product is visible under product listing page. Thank you. If you have any queries, please contact us at support@onprintshop.com.